Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video I will be showing you the finished pattern, and I will also be showing you the last step of the diamond weave. When you create with the diamond weave, two of your sides attach as you go, where two sides are kind of separated. So what you do is, once you've gone through your bottom corner on the last row, you'll want to just weave along the side. Just go in and out of each bead. Now I think the string I have here will be long enough for me to finish this step, but it's going to be close. And you just keep weaving. And then you also go up the next side until you reach your bead stopper. Now on larger patterns, if you don't have enough string to finish this part, how you can decide how much more string you need is to take your string and measure it along how much you have left to weave through, and then add about 8 inches for the securing, and that should get you to where you need to be. And you just keep weaving until you reach where your bead stopper is. And then, as you can see, that closes up the two sides that were open. Then I remove my bead stopper and I go ahead and do my 2 needle knot, because my 2 strings are together. I do a single knot followed by a double overhand knot, and then I slip my knot inside the corner bead. And pull tight, and then I just thread through with both strings. And this here is actually the cross weave, which is the 2 needle right angle weave, and then I cross these two, and I do that one more time, going through a bead on each side with each string. And then crossing the center, and that makes it so your string is not right next to where the knot is, so it doesn't work itself loose. And then you take and clip off the excess. And there you have pattern sun. I hope that you enjoyed making this project.